The Level 3 Certificate in Assessing Vocational Achievement is a UK OFQUAL regulated qualification, recognised worldwide. It is known as CAVA and replaces older qualifications such as the A1 certificate. This is the highest level of assessor qualification, which includes 3 units. It is suitable for assessors working within a college or training provider who also assess learners in their workplaces. It is also suitable for anyone assessing learning in a corporate organisation. We have qualified hundreds of assessors across a wide range of sectors, including engineering, construction, healthcare, first aid, health and beauty, aviation, and more. Our courses can be completed 100% remotely, self-paced, meaning you can enroll today and complete the course in a time frame that suits you. The course has an overall deadline of 12 months. However, this can be extended if necessary. Learners gain access to extensive online training resources, and you are assigned a tutor who is available by email, phone, or Microsoft Teams. The first unit is theory-based. It is assessed through a written essay, which is approximately 2,500 words. We provide all the necessary learning resources to help you complete this, and your tutor will provide feedback if you need to resubmit it. The second unit is about assessing in a workplace. You need to carry out 4 assessments in a workplace as part of this unit. This must include at least 2 different learners completing 2 different tasks. Typically, workplace assessments involve observing learners performing real tasks. If you do not conduct workplace assessments, you may wish to consider the alternative Level 3 award instead of the certificate. The third unit is about assessments conducted in a classroom or training environment. You need to complete another 4 assessments for this unit and again have access to 2 different learners. Assessments in this unit are typically theory-based, including written tasks, quizzes or practical assessments conducted within the training centre. For each assessment you do, we require evidence of planning it, doing it, and providing feedback to the learner. This may include written evidence, photos, videos, audio, and more. One of your 4 assessments in each of the practical units must also be observed by a qualified assessor. If you don't have access to a qualified assessor, you can send a recording in for your ATC Training tutor to complete the observation remotely. Visit our website for further information or to enroll online today.